Hello everyone, welcome back to another useful and informative video. Today I'll show you how to fix the issue where Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error on your iPhone or iPad. If you're encountering this error message, stay tuned for the solutions. Let's get started. Firstly, ensure that you have a strong internet connection. If using Wi-Fi, disconnect and reconnect it. If using mobile data, toggle it off and on again. Check if the problem persists. If the issue persists, try clearing your browsing history and website data. Open Settings, scroll down to Safari, tap on Clear History and Website Data, select All History and tap on Clear History. If clearing the history doesn't solve the problem, restart your iPhone by pressing and holding the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally, the power button until the Apple logo appears. If the issue still persists, ensure that your iOS is up to date. Go to Settings, tap on General, then Software Update, and update to the latest available version. If you're using a VPN, disconnect from it and try again. Go to Settings, tap on General, then VPN and Device Management, and disconnect from VPN if connected. Check your date and time settings in Settings General Date Time. Ensure that Set Automatically is turned on. If the problem persists, reset your network settings. Go to Settings General, Reset Network Settings, enter your password, and confirm. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset. Go to Settings General, Reset, erase all content and settings. Remember to back up your data before proceeding. I hope one of these solutions helps you resolve the issue with Safari not being able to install a profile due to an unknown error on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching.